Friends, welcome in the world of medicinal chemistry. Today we are going to discuss anticholinergic drugs, which is also known as parasympatholytic drugs or cholinergic blocking agents. Anticholinergic means they decreases the activity of cholinergic drugs such as acetylcholine, and parasympatholytic. Lytic means they decreases the activity or having opposite action as that of parasympathomimetic drugs, or they also known as cholinergic blocking agents. Let us discuss. These are the drugs in therapeutic doses predominantly block the muscarinic action of acetylcholine, but the ganglionic and skeletal neuromuscular actions of acetylcholine are not affected. Means these anticholinergic drugs particularly binds to muscarinic receptor, or they block the muscarinic activity of acetylcholine, but they do not decrease nicotinic activity of acetylcholine or cholinergic drugs. Muscarinic antagonists are often called as parasympatholytics. One and the same. Muscarinic antagonist or cholinergic antagonist, they also known as parasympatholytic drugs. Atropine is a prototype of this drug. Means atropine is a basic or skeleton molecule for various studies of these parasympatholytic drugs. The parasympatholytic or cholinergic blocking agents include atropine. Atropine is the basic molecule, and related alkaloids obtained from plants such as Atropa belladonna. Atropine is obtained from Atropa belladonna, Hyoscyamus niger, Datura stramonium, and synthetic or semi-synthetic atropine substitutes. Classification of cholinergic blocking agents or anticholinergic drugs or parasympatholytic drugs. As per PCI syllabus, they are classified only into two classes. First one is solanaceous alkaloids and their analogues, and second class is synthetic cholinergic blocking agents. Let us discuss first class, that is solanaceous alkaloids and their analogues. Why this class is given solanaceous alkaloids? Because these are the drugs mainly obtained, cholinergic blocking agents are mainly obtained from Solanaceae family, plants of Solanaceae family. Therefore this class is included, that is solanaceous alkaloid and their analogues. Example is atropine, atropine sulfate, hyoscyamin sulfate, scopolamine hydrobromide, ipratropium bromide. These are the solanaceous alkaloids. Most important is atropine, then hyoscyamin, scopolamine and ipratropium bromide. This is first class. And second class is synthetic cholinergic blocking agents. Example tropicamide, cyclopentolate hydrochloride, dicyclomine hydrochloride, glycopyrrolate, propanthelene bromide, bipyridine hydrochloride, procyclidine hydrochloride. Once again I will revise. Synthetic cholinergic blocking agents examples are tropicamide, cyclopentolate hydrochloride, dicyclomine hydrochloride, glycopyrrolate, propanthelene bromide, bipyridine hydrochloride, procyclidine hydrochloride. This is classification of cholinergic blocking agents. Chemistry of anticholinergic drugs. So in this anticholinergic drug, the prototype example is atropine. You can see the structure of atropine here. At left side there is a tropane ring, it contains NHCS3, then OC double bond O, that is ester group, and one carbon. Next CH2OS alcohol group is there, one phenyl ring is there, and at one side there is a hydrogen. This is the basic structure of atropine. So what is actually this chemistry includes? It includes that it contains nitrogen, it contains ester group, it contains hydroxy group and phenyl rings. All the solanaceous alkaloids are the esters of bicyclic amino alcohols 3-hydroxytropane or related amino alcohols. Means basically they contains ester group. You can see ester group in this structure. Then bicyclic amino alcohols, tropane ring is made up of from two rings. In next slide we will discuss in detail. Then 3-hydroxytropane means there is a hydroxy group is also there, that is CH2OH. Okay, so this is chemistry of anticholinergic agents. Here you can see the first two structures are the structure of atropine. It is the structure of atropine. First structure is shown, the tropane ring is shown as chair in a chair conformation. Okay, and in another second structure it is simple ring is shown, one and the same structure, only drawing is different. Okay, then below you can see how tropane ring is made. It is made up of from piperidine ring plus pyrrolidine ring. Piperidine is nitrogen containing 6-membered ring and pyrrolidine is 5-membered nitrogen containing ring. These two rings come together or fuse together to form the tropane nucleus. You can see the structure of tropane. Then structure activity relationship. In structure activity relationship, you can see the general structure is R1 R2, carbon is there, then X CH2 taken n times and n. Here also you can see general structure. General structure is compared with the structure of atropine. In case of SAR, this is very important because atropine is a prototype molecule. You can see NCH2 taken n times, and that nitrogen is present in atropine. That nitrogen is present inside the ring, that is tertiary nitrogen present inside the tropane ring. And the second part, first part is tertiary or quaternary amine or nitrogen, and second part is ester group. X is ester group, OC double bond O. In general struct, X is indicate ester group. Then last part is carbocyclic or heterocyclic ring system. Means for maximum antimuscarinic activity, the structure must contain or drug must contain at least one cyclic substituent. Here you can see general structure is given R1, R2 and R3, then carbon, then X means ester group, and lastly the tertiary or quaternary nitrogen. So first point in structure activity relationship, for the potent cholinergic antagonist, the groups R1 and R2 must be hydrophobic in nature. Hydrophobic means lipophilic in nature. Hydrophobic means lipophilic in nature, usually phenyl cyclohexyl or cyclopentene. Means R1 and R2 must be phenyl cyclohexyl or cyclopentyl. Means at least one cyclic structure is essential for anticholinergic activity. The substituent R1 and R2 should be carbocyclic or a heterocyclic ring for maximal antagonistic potency. The R3 substituent may be hydrogen atom, hydroxyl group, hydroxymethyl group or a carboxyamide, or it may be a component of R1 and R2 ring system. R3 may be hydrogen or hydroxy group. Then next point, the X substituent in the most potent anticholinergic agent is an ester. Okay, ester is essential for activity, or the most potent drugs contain ester in its structure. But the ester functional group is not absolute necessary for muscarinic antagonistic activity. It is not essential, but if it is present, then drug becomes more potent. The nitrogen substituent is a quaternary ammonium salt in the most of potent anticholinergic agents. Means quaternary ammonium salts are the most potent. Tertiary amine also possesses antagonistic activity. The distance between ring substituted carbon and the amine nitrogen is not critical. Means the distance between ring substituted carbon and nitrogen is not critical. It may be vary. Means we discussed this part, SAR. Then atropine, structure of atropine. IUPAC name is given here. 8-methyl means tropane ring. Total number of atoms present in this tropane ring are 8. 8-methyl 8-aza means it contains nitrogen. Bicyclo means 2 cycles. 3-2-1. Okay. Octane 3-il 3-hydroxy 2-phenyl propanoate. This is IUPAC name of atropine. Then few examples are here. Important examples and their structure: cyclopentolate, tropicamide, dicyclamine and trihexyphenidyl. Then mechanism of action of anticholinergic drugs. Muscarinic receptor antagonist prevent the effect of acetylcholine by blocking its binding to muscarinic cholinergic receptor at neuroeffector sites on the smooth muscle, cardiac muscle, glands, in peripheral ganglia and in central nervous system. Means muscarinic antagonist or anticholinergic drugs, they particularly block activity at muscarinic receptor. They block the activity of acetylcholine. In general, muscarinic receptor antagonist causes little effect on the N receptor site. Means muscarinic receptor antagonist having little or negligible effect on nicotinic receptor sites. However, quaternary ammonium analogues of atropine and related drugs generally exhibit greater degree of nicotinic blocking activity. Means quaternary ammonium containing compound shows more nicotinic activity than tertiary compounds, and consequently are more likely to interfere with ganglions and on neuromuscular transmission. A small dose of atropine depresses salivary and bronchial secretions and sweating. Means the pharmacological action of atropine, it decreases salivary secretion. Anticholinergic drugs decreases salivary secretion as well as bronchial secretion and sweating. With large doses, the pupils dilate, accommodation of lenses to near vision is inhibited. Accommodation of lenses is inhibited means, accommodation means the angle, adjustment of the angle made by the eye for vision purpose. That there is a not proper accommodation or there is a problem in the near vision. The heart rate is increased due to vagal block. There is increase in heart rate due to vagal block. Therapeutic uses, they are used as mydriatics. Mydriatic means they causes dilation of pupils. Example, cyclopentolate. They used as antisecretory and antispasmodic. Antisecretory means they decreases secretions of saliva, this decreases gastric acid secretions, and they act as antispasmodic. They decreases the tone of the GI muscles or decreases the motility of GIT. Okay, examples are propanthelin, oxyphenonium, dicyclomine, pyrangiapine, etc. They are used in treatment of Parkinson's disease, such as trihexyphenidyl, procyclidine, bipyridine. Atropine is used in hyperacidity because atropine, what is property of atropine? It decreases gastric secretion or it is antisecretory in nature, therefore used in treatment of hyperacidity. Ipratropium bromide used as a bronchodilator because it causes dilation of bronchi. They are used in treatment of bronchial asthma, asthmatic bronchitis, in COPD. COPD means chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Hyoscine is effective for motion sickness. Atropine is specific antidote in anticholinergic poisoning. These are the uses. Then adverse effect. Anticholinergic drugs causes dry mouth, tachycardia means increase in heart rate, palpitation means or increase in decrease in heart rates, means sudden there is increase or decrease in heart rates. Then blurred vision because there is a problem in accommodation of lens of eye, therefore it causes blurred vision with pupillary dilatation, plus and hot skin, difficulty in micturition means in urination, dreadful visual hallucinations. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.